The truth is, you're already free. What keeps us in the appearance of bondage is limited conditioned thinking at lower levels of consciousness that we invest our belief in. We get stuck. For those who are ready to claim their birthright, to remember there's another option: liberation, independence. Claiming our birthright and remembering our oneness, our perfection, our power. Hi, my name is John Stringer, and I'm excited to join you at Unity of Central Florida in Orlando on July 2nd, where I'll be sharing music and message, the morning service at 10:30 a.m., followed by a wonderful workshop entitled Liberation is My Birthright. I choose fulfillment. Hope you'll join us as we go through the 4 levels of creation and use alignment with Source and much more to activate that power. I look forward to seeing you there.